What's up, guys? Today we're going to take a look at the 5 best gaming mouse on the market for this year. We're going to show you our 5 best picks, and we'll talk about whether or not you should buy them. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started. Number 1. Logitech G305 Lightspeed. Logitech's G305 Lightspeed stands out as a high-performance wireless gaming mouse that delivers exceptional value without breaking the bank. Despite its mid-range price point, the G305 competes effectively against wired alternatives, offering top-notch performance and design. Powered by Logitech's Hero sensor, the G305 inherits the excellence of sensors found in Logitech's best mice, such as the G500 and Gpro X Superlight. One notable feature is its impressive battery life, lasting more than 200 hours on a single all battery, contributing to cost savings compared to rechargeable alternatives. The inclusion of a small wireless dongle that can be conveniently stored inside the mouse body adds to the G305's practicality. Importantly, the left and right click buttons are separate pieces from the removable palm rest, ensuring reliable and satisfying clicks. The G305's design is based on a small, ambidextrous model that Logitech has successfully utilized for years. While components like the scroll wheel and buttons may not feel as premium as those in the G500, they still surpass the quality of many cheap gaming mice. The combination of quality and performance makes the G305 a standout option, offering killer features at an affordable price. Number 2. Razer DeadHatter V2. The Razer DeadHatter V2 builds upon the success of the DeadHatter Elite, a long-standing favorite among gaming mice. Despite the availability of the improved DeadHatter V3, the V2 remains a compelling option, especially considering its affordability in the current market. The standout feature of the DeadHatter V2 is the inclusion of the Focus Plus optical sensor, the same sensor found in the high-performance Razer Viper Ultimate Wireless. While this upgrade contributes to enhanced precision, other subtle changes further elevate the V2's appeal. Notably, the redesigned scroll wheel, termed Instinctive Scroll Wheel Tactility, offers a perfect balance of smooth rotation and distinct notches, preventing accidental overscrolling. Another noteworthy improvement is the implementation of the SpeedFlex cable, a specialized wire that may seem trivial but significantly impacts user experience. The flexible nature of the cable minimizes the risk of interference with mouse movement, even in cases of less meticulous wire management. This feature addresses a common concern with the stiffer wires in previous DeadHatter models, ensuring a more seamless and responsive gaming experience. The Razer DeadHatter V2 stands out as a cost-effective choice, leveraging improvements in sensor technology, scroll wheel design, and cable flexibility. Number 3. Logitech G203 Lightsync. The Logitech G203 Lightsync, although relatively recent, bears a strong resemblance to its predecessor, the G203 Prodigy. Positioned in the competitive category of budget-friendly gaming mice, the G203 Lightsync faces tough competition from rivals like Razer, offering options such as the DeadHatter Essential, Basilisk Essential, and Viper Mini in a similar price range. Despite this, the G203 Lightsync manages to carve out its own space with a straightforward design that focuses on essential features while incorporating a touch of aesthetic flair. It's essential to note that the G203 Lightsync is a wired mouse, with the Lightspeed designation reserved for Logitech's wireless models. The term Lightsync here signifies compatibility with the Logitech G app and RGB lighting system. This system allows for the synchronization of RGB lighting effects across Logitech products that support Lightsync. It's worth mentioning that even non-Lightsync products can integrate with the Logitech G app to varying degrees. The mouse features 3 lighting zones within the thin strip that spans the rear palm rest, with the logo above taking on the color of the middle RGB lighting zone. Number 4. Logitech G500 and 2X. Logitech's G500 and 2X gaming mouse, at first glance, may seem similar to its predecessors, but a closer look reveals notable revisions, particularly beneficial for FPS players. The G500 and 2X retains the improved G500 and 2 Hero 25K sensor, but introduces impressive ergonomic enhancements, increased customizability, and weight improvements. A key highlight is Logitech's commitment to making the G500 and 2X lighter, weighing in at 89 grams compared to the Hero's 121 G. While the G500 and 2X lacks the weight configuration option found in the Hero, the significant reduction in weight enhances its appeal, especially for FPS enthusiasts. Unlike its predecessor, the G500 and 2X does not feature an LED system behind the Logitech G symbol, omitting RGB lighting entirely. This design choice aligns with a focus on catering to the FPS audience. The scroll wheel, now made of plastic instead of metal to reduce weight, retains the beloved infinite scroll feature. Comparing the G500 and 2X to the Logitech G500 and 2 Lightspeed, some subtle differences are apparent, influencing the overall experience. While the absence of RGB lighting and a metal scroll wheel might be seen as drawbacks, the emphasis on lightweight design and customization makes the G500 and 2X a compelling option, particularly for FPS gaming. Number 5. Logitech Gpro. The Logitech Pro gaming mouse, though maintaining a similar design over the years, continues to deliver performance upgrades beneath the surface. Despite the unchanged form factor, the mouse incorporates enhancements like the Hero 25K optical sensor, providing a maximum DPI of 25,600. Weighing in at 85 grams, the Pro strikes a balance between lightness and sturdiness, making it suitable for precision gaming, particularly in twitch shooters like CS, GO, or Valorant. The mouse's responsiveness and low click latency contribute to a snappy feel, making it well suited for various gaming scenarios. The right and left mouse buttons are not overly loud, providing a satisfying yet unintrusive click experience. The placement of the two side buttons is ergonomic, ensuring easy access without excessive thumb stretching. In shooters like Fortnite and Call of Duty Warzone, the Gpro proves its worth. Thanks for watching, and that's for all this video. If you liked this video and it helped in any way, please give this video a like, and if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, subscribe to the channel. I hope to see you in the next video. Till next time, see you guys.